let's talk about what kind of numbers and how we're going to be approaching those numbers. So there are two types of the accounting on approach how to work with the data: financial and management accounting. Financial accounting is that you are preparing a financial statements that are consumed by public or by relevant stakeholders, plus your tax office. Based on the financial accounting, you are structuring your costs and revenue into certain groups. You deliver the reports to the government and you pay your taxes. This is the financial approach. The financial approach to your numbers, to your revenue and costs is a completely different structure than it is when you are doing management accounting. Management accounting is that you do also some kind of financial decisions, but also non-financial decisions. But it is on a management level only. So it is like internal accounting. Management accounting is also called managerial accounting, and it helps us to take those numbers which our accounting department is using for the reporting to outside, and we are looking at the numbers from the completely different perspective, and we are creating the statements, the reports, and the documents which are helping us, hotel management, to make decision better. And it's related only to the management performance, because the financial accounting take only the numbers you have generated, your revenue, your costs, and simply input it into the city ledger in your accounts, and it is going to tell you, yeah, this is how it's going to look like, this is how much you're going to pay. But management accounting, it's reacting, let's say, on that situation on a market. So you can adjust your revenue, you can adjust your costs. So you do or you don't report on that financial level. Okay, so the managerial accounting or management accounting is used for the internal purposes only. And you can tell that your market segmentation approach to the budget on a revenue side, it is some kind of managerial accounting. Revenue management is kind of management accounting. So it focuses on internal needs. Okay, it has nothing to do with the taxes, nothing to do with how you simply produce your reports to the tax office. Because we would like to see the performance of each department and how and where we can optimize. Because we really need to actually plan our income and expenses. This is the budget. Your financial accounting is simply processing your spend and your revenue into those reports to simply submit it to the government. Management accounting also give you an opportunity to maybe aligning your bonuses, your rewards for the team. So you don't base it on how much taxes you pay, you simply base it on the departmental result. So if the GM is supposed to do a performance management, he doesn't really care in general how much rent you have been negotiating as the owner with the building owner, right? He's responsible for that operational part of the situation of the hotel. So in our case, we're gonna really take care more on those, let's say, management accounting. Of course, you will be able to see all of these things, but we will not look at this moment into anything like assets and liabilities on our balance sheet. We're gonna take the profit and loss statement from that perspective, and the management accounting also show us the information from the time perspective. So how it was last, what we have been planning, how it is for the first months, what's the situation on a quarterly level, what is the situation on a half-year level, are we performing, are we underperforming?